If you've ever had a defective battery, or just left your lights on, this scene will be all too familiar. We have the solution. The RS131 RoadStart 12V portable emergency power pack. It can be carried as easily as a briefcase, yet deliver enough power to start a vehicle. So there's no need to wait for your battery to charge, or a roadside recovery vehicle to arrive. Just connect the RoadStart to your vehicle and start the engine. Simple. This excellent device has an integral krypton worklight for use at night, and an independent on-off switch which allows the positive clamp to be connected without the risk of sparking. It also features a polarity checking system, which triggers an alarm and a warning light should you connect the leads the wrong way around. The RoadStart is supplied with an AC wall charger and a male-to-male adapter for in-car charging and for retaining codes on car alarm systems when the battery is disconnected. There's even a built-in 12V DC socket, which can be used with any cigarette lighter type connector, making it ideal for camping and festivals. We offer a range of RoadStart models to suit larger engines and 24V systems too. Please contact your dealer for further details. The RS131. Don't get caught without one.